Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and Dell has officially announced that yes, there is a problem with the Dell Support Assistant that is making blue screens or black screens of death on Dell PCs. Not all of them, but certain Dell computers will be doing crashing randomly and restarting. And Dell did say that it is the fault of their own support assistance software that is used to, do all sorts of things, diagnostics, and even help you update drivers and stuff. So the remedy that Dell does give everyone right now is to uninstall the software. So they tell everybody that they have to go into the settings. Into the settings, you want to go into apps on the left side of your screen. Once you're in apps, you go to installed apps. And in installed apps, what you want to search for is something called Dell Support Assistant Remediation. Sometimes it could be written as Alienware Support Assistant to Support Assist Remediation. And this is what you need to actually remove from the computer. Once that is done, most say that it actually fixes the problem and that everything is all right after they have removed the Alienware Support Assistant. So this is the problem for now. Of course, a new version will be eventually released with a fix. You don't necessarily need to reinstall anyways. Dell does warn that if you have done some backups using the system, that once you remove the software, the support assistant, those backups might not be available anymore to go back like in time, like in a system restore type backup. So that you have to be warned for that. But Dell now does say that, yep, there is a problem, and there's a lot of people complaining about that on a PC. So if you have a Dell and it crashes all the time, that's what you got to do. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.